Good morning, friends. Today we will see a new feature in Odoo version 19.3 on Runboard. So we are expecting this new feature to launch in Odoo version 20, and it's about asset. So Odoo has almost rebranded entire configuration of assets, and the new rebranding is about not asset model but depreciation models. So here on Runbot we can see some of the predefined models are available. So first is we can also have a no depreciation method where we can allocate one asset which has no depreciation, and we can plan its no depreciation according to the asset models. And then we have three regular models which are coming from the previous version. It's a standard one, straight line, declining, declining, then straight line. But what's new? So if I move to my pre-configured model, then you can see the method is straight line, and here now you can see two new options. Previously we could see only duration based straight line model was available. Now you can see the percentage wise straight line model is also possible with month and year of depreciation booking. So this is a new addition by Odoo we can expect in version 20. So let's see how it impacts. So you can see a predefined models are available. Now these all are linear model. Okay, now if I introduce new model and then I want a straight line with a percentage, you can see the name will automatically convert to identify which type of depreciation model it is. And then the standard computation method is available, and then we can define a non-deprecated value in again a percentage when we book our depreciation. So now if I define 12% per year linear with no prorata, you can see the things are coming over here. Now according to the standard process, we can go into asset and create a new asset with our new model. So this is the asset group, and depreciation model selection is here where I want to select the new model, and then I will select the fixed asset account, and then this depreciation account and expense account are coming from there. So depreciation account is a part of now the process over here. Now you can see the standard depreciation associated with this fixed asset is also inside the account property itself. So 2 years linear is a standard one they have to, and then if I want to change the accumulated depreciation, then we can create a new chart of accounts. So entire configuration is revamped, and then I will go over here into my current asset. What I will do, I will introduce a new account. Okay, either I can introduce over here maybe a duplicate of this, and I can have accumulated depreciation on fixed asset. So this is a new account I would like to introduce, and then inside my fixed asset over here, now over here we can see the fixed asset account, and then if I want to associate it with vehicle, this is a new property we can have, and then I will say it's a type of fixed asset. So this accumulated depreciation is a part of non-current asset, and then I will go to fixed asset and then use. So it is non-current asset is a filter type. So let me go to non-current assets. So this is now available, accumulated depreciation non-current asset. Let me refresh, and inside now my fixed asset bracket, so depreciation expense account also we can see over here. Now it is allowing this non-current asset right now, which I have fixed over here, and now going into my assets. So over here, if I go to my laptop one and I put value of 2000 and then compute my depreciation, it will launch depreciation plan according to the linear with percentage method, where I have defined 12%. So that becomes $240 per month up to the last level, that is almost 8 to 9 years in the period. So this is the new edition where we can see a fresh revamped new asset depreciation models over here to use with. So hope now you guys will definitely enjoy the straight line with the percentage method available over here, and the declining is always available with percentage separate and duration as a separate method. So I'm happy to see Odoo is doing great with new launch 19.3 or 20. We can see this feature very soon. Thank you guys. Good day.